This is a short and powerful Pilates workout where we're quickly going to move from one exercise to another. Definitely save this for high energy days when you want an effective total body workout. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. Let's begin with our feet in Pilates V, crossing at the arms, bend the knees and straight. Pressing arms in together firmly. Heels staying down for this first movement. Legs will stay straight, heels come up and down. What I want you to notice is, how is your balance? If it's feeling a little bit wobbly today, unstable, then you'll go back into our first exercise, small footwork, or keep heels lifted and big footwork. We go slow down and back up again and down to up. Trying to keep spine nice and vertical. So if you notice your body coming forward, try to instead let your head stay right over the pelvis, even if that means smaller range of motion. One more time. Very nice. Bring the legs together, switch the cross, bend and straight, heels down once again. Push the arms in towards one another. Maybe take another deep breath for yourself. And legs stay straight, heels come up and down. And just like in a rotated position, you can keep heels down and do small footwork, or keep heels lifted, big footwork down, and come right back up again. Really sense the toes, the balls of the feet pushing the mat down as the legs go straight. Keep gently pressing the arms in towards one another. One last time. Very nice. Now stand towards the short edge of your mat. Inhale. Exhale, roll your spine forward. Soft bend in the knees. Left foot comes back behind you. Right leg goes straighter and bend. Straighter and bend. Just a little stretch here. Nothing too intense. Now we're going to keep your right leg bent. Circle the arm around. 2 more big circles with arm. And one last time. Very nice. Bring back leg up to front. Roll yourself up. Taking a breath. And roll right back down. Right leg reaches back. Front leg goes straighter and bend. Deep breathing here. Next time, leg bends. Keep it there. Arm slowly circles around, spine rotates. Take your time. Very nice. Back leg joins front. This time, rolling up for the very last time. And rolling down. We'll stay down. Take your left foot back again. Reach your arms next to the hips. And front leg goes straight and bend. So we're in a line from heel to head. A little bit more work for legs. 2 more times. Very nice. Left hand comes down. Rotate towards your right. Reach up. And now lower pelvis down and up. Lower pelvis down and up. We'll stay up this next time. Come back to center. Back leg joins front. Switch sides right away. And bring yourself up. Lunge and lunge. So straight to bend. Powerful with both legs. Back foot really strong. So not just moving leg, but supportive back leg, so helpful here. Right hand comes down, rotate, and going down and up, down, to up. One last time. Very nice. Come back to center. Front leg joins back. Bring your hips up for a breath. Roll through the spine. Come to side plank. First side. Take knee down right away. Arm to leg. So arm reaches to leg. Leg lifts to arm. Two more times. 2, 1. Knee can stay down or go back plank. Lift up and over just to side plank. Lift up and over, side plank. We'll do 3 more. One last time. Very nice. Both hands underneath you. Hips come up high. Rolling through spine. Go side plank, second side. Knee comes down, arm to leg. Really lifting, leg up. Theme of this class, keep moving. Breathe deep whenever you can. Bottom knee stays down or goes straight. Lift up and over, back to your plank. Lift up, over, and plank. Let's do 2 and 1. Very nice. Back to center, hips up. This time walk the feet forward to the hands. Let the head hang on down. Bend the knees. Roll like a ball. Inhale. Exhale. Ride out your breath. This is perfect opportunity to breathe deeper. One last time. Very nice. Legs tabletop. Reverse, roll yourself down. Roll yourself down, hands behind head. Single leg stretch, keeping hands behind head. So alternating legs. Curling up towards the thighs. Adding rotation. We go crisscross. Really sense your shoulder trying to come up towards your knee more than your elbow coming in. We can do this all day long. Elbow, elbow. I want that shoulder up. Short class, but let's make it effective. One more time each side. Pause, legs tabletop, then press your feet and arms down into the mat. Find suppleness, pelvic curl. Rolling back down. Again, perfect opportunity. Reconnect to deep breathing. Now you can keep this going, double leg option, up and down, or stay up for a breath. Reach one leg to ceiling, lower down single leg, power up. Lower down single leg, power up. If you're doing your single leg option, pause up, both feet down, and switch sides. If you're doing your double leg option, keep it up. Regardless, pressing the full foot fully into the mat. One last time. Foot down, rolling yourself down. Now curl yourself back up. Bring legs to tabletop. Roll down on to about lower back. Roll right back up. 2 more times like that. Roll down, curling up. Now, keep legs bent or legs go straight. Roll down. Rolling down. Now we roll down, we get to stay down. The upper ab curl, leg pull, switch and switch. Use the hands for just the first few, getting a little extra stretch that way. Now reach your arms forward. Legs keep alternating. Reach your arms up to the ceiling. Arms reach behind. Keep the legs moving. Pause, legs up to the ceiling. Tabletop. Roll yourself up. Sit tall. Now, curl back just part way. One leg reaches to straight. Pull in. Straight. Lift. Straight. In. Reach. Up. Down. Last time. Switch sides. In, reach, up, forward. In, reach, lift, lower last time. Very nice. Take the hands underneath the shoulders, roll the shoulders back, press into feet, hips come up, and down. Slowing this one down is nice. We ease into the stretch of the shoulders. And if you're more open in the shoulders, maybe you aren't feeling much of a stretch. That's okay. Keep your bent leg option, or legs go straight. Lift. Now we keep going up and down. Or we're gonna stay up, bend one knee in, straight, lift. Repeat, in, straight, lift. One more time, in, straight, lift. Hips down, hips come right back up, second side. In, up, in, up. One last time. Hips down, beautiful. Give yourself a forward fold. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Sit up tall. Let's do that 2 more times. Give yourself a forward fold. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Sit up tall. Again, perfect time to breathe more deeply. Stretch forward. Sit up tall. Come onto hands, onto knees. Tuck through your toes. Natural curves of spine. Knees lift. Press pelvis back and forward. Back and forward. Pause. Round through your spine. Press pelvis back and forward. Now, if any time your knees can come down, you can do the same back and forward motion. Now we'll pause forward. One foot hooks behind the opposite, back and forward. So that level of intensity just really go up. Yes, you can always stay with double leg. 2 more times. 2, 1. Switch sides. We are almost done with this exercise. Just our knee stretch option, mat style. 1 more time. Very nice. Legs. Go to plank position. Lower down. Feet stay down. Lift spine up. Open arms. Reach arms back. Lift more. Open lower part way. Inhale and exhale. Now arms stay open. Lift up and down. Up and down. Stay lifted. Reach arms forward and open. Forward. Reach arms all the way back. Lift the legs. Clap the heels together. Clap and clap and clap. Still breathe deeply. Open arms across from the shoulders. Keep clapping the legs. Reach the arms forward. Keep clapping the legs. Take another deep breath here. Lower down. Hands underneath the shoulders. Push up. Lower down. Full release down. Point the toes. Lift your spine. Go back into push up. Lower down. Lift spine. Push up. Lower down. Lift spine. This can be a kneeling push-up. That's always an option. 1 more time. Stay up. Hips come up. Walk the feet to the hands or hands to feet. Bend the knees. Deep breaths. Slowly roll up. Take your time. Take your time. Up. All the way to standing. Feet parallel to one another. Slow it down. Heels lift, arms lift. Heels lower, arms. Deep, deep breathing. You just did a lot of hard work. Can you release and relax right now? Hands can come to pelvis. Lift heels up. A little treading motion. Trying to stay quiet with the pelvis. So sometimes it turns into this hippie motion. Pelvis still instead. You can go to see Dorner Fitness to get a little hippie groove with their step classes. But for this, a little bit more quiet. Very nice, heels lift. Slowly lower down. Big breath in and out. And if you're wanting to cool down a little bit more, which I highly encourage, check out the stretching class that's linked above for you right now. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.